Right, so what I just want to show you is the new food court on this side. It's not going to be a big vlog. We come in here and showed it a bit before. I just thought it would be good for people to see that come to Chiang Mai. Just a little update. So they've done the new food court, but all this here, look, all this is new as well. So I'm going to take you down. We got music playing, so I might have to dub this later on when I get home. So all this was here before. All this down here is new. Look, they've made all these shops on the side here. Before there was a couple here where you could just go in and sit down, but they've made it all into a proper food court area down here. So all this is new, guys. It's all new. It just used to be like this here in the middle with some chairs, but it goes all the way down, so it wasn't like this last time I come in here. And all this has been added, all these tables and chairs. Look, this used to be selling produce here, so they've made a lot more room where you can come and sit. Look, so it's a lot better, man. It's a bit more snazzy now, so you can get all your food down here. Look, happy days. And this herbal place here used to be in the middle here, so this place has been made smaller. I think actually it has moved. It used to be here where all these tables and chairs are lit, so a lot more room now, man. A lot more room to come and eat. It used to be just scrambling for a table down this end. Now so much more. And it's more on point with a proper mall now, Airport Plaza, I think. But all this is the same. This is what it used to be like. Look, you used to just sit here and you'd be scrambling for one of these tables here. All this out here was just shops selling stuff. All this is the same as before. This is the old side over here. Nice chicken and rice lady on the end. Not the lady, the actual chicken and rice. Nice chicken and rice shop, Khao Man Gai. Right on the end, I go there sometimes. So what we're gonna do, there's been more added, so now I'm in here. It's worth the little update, you know. I know it's not exciting, but it's all content. So they've added this little bit of deco in the middle. Yeah, they've just spruced it up a lot. All this, look. It's a bit new. Got the old cars out today. New cars you can buy. And this is the new bit over here for people that didn't see it last time. I think they've added a bit more now. A bit more to it. But it's still far from finished. Yes, more. When we got here it was the first day. First day before, right? Now it's been in action for a while. Brand new Airport Plaza, mate. Can you Adam and Eve it? See, they got all the shops to finish on the side. We're not going to go mad here. Not going to go mad. I just want to see what they've done down this side. So I've not looked down this side myself. It's still all empty, right? Yeah, still loads more to do. Look, yeah, nothing, still in progress. So yeah, they're still doing a hell of a lot more. So why I'm here, I've got an old battery from a phone that I've come to drop off. They've got them battery bins here. I don't like just chucking them in the garbage. You shouldn't do that, should you? So they've got the proper bins here where you can get rid of any old technology or batteries. And you know, I like to do my bit. We already looked at this place when it was brand new opening, remember? We was here on opening day, but all this here is different as well. And they're doing more stuff here. Look, there's going to be loads of shops down there. This second floor don't look too ready either. A lot more to do. Yeah, and they've moved the second-hand phone. Where am I going here? I've only been coming here for 6 years. Yeah, they've moved the second-hand phone place, so I'm going to show you where it is. where you used to get the old phones, where I bought my old iPhone. They've moved that to another place. So we're gonna go up. I think it's on this floor. Is it on this one now? I forgot. Nah, it's on the next one. Oh, this is getting redone as well, look. Loads more to do yet, mate. Loads more. Right, so now I was going up the wrong one, wasn't I? So what we're doing now, we're going up, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you where it is, man. So this is the brand new AIS wing. So yeah, this was all closed, and they made a temporary little shop down the other end, but the new shop is back open. I had a feeling the other one would be too small. So yeah, of course they was renovating it. So the brand new shop is open, mate. It's open and ready to go. I knew AIS wouldn't hang about. So we'll see what's happening with the other one. They probably closed the smaller one down here. We got music playing. So what I do now, I go on these now, guys. Instead of going to the shops, like these are for sale. These, I don't think you can use these, no. So in the big supermarkets, they've got these 20 baht for a massage for 10-15 minutes. I prefer just doing that now every time I go to the supermarket, instead of going for a proper massage. You can't beat a proper massage, but them chairs are good sometimes, man. Right, so down here now, look, this is the brand new second-hand phone area, or where you get your phone repaired. It used to be at the other side of this floor. It used to be right around there, but now they've brought it down near the tree shop. So yeah, this is the brand new area for the phone. This is where I got my iPhone. So you can get all sorts of old iPhone 6s. You can get your Samsungs. There's a iPhone 16 there, look, brand new one. Get your iPhone 11, 12, 8, XR. Hello, how are you? I still have your phone. Yeah. Right, I think she wanted the battery, but it's no good. I think I know what she was trying to do. She would use it, sell it maybe, but it's no good. So here's the bin here, look. This is where you bring all your old batteries and stuff. E-waste, that's what it's called. Look at the stuff in there. It's like an iPod in there and everything, old battery. So you can find these in most plazas and big C's and stuff. There goes my old battery. That one was at 77%. So basically, it was dead, mate. It was dead. Got your IT City here, look. It's changing loads, man. Changing loads. Got your power buy as well. Hang on. That wasn't there before. Power buy like that. Ah, that's been revamped as well. So yeah, the lady that I didn't even know that was her shop. That's the lady I bought my old iPhone from. I just stopped looking at the phones and that was her. So she knew who I was. She probably thought, what the hell is he doing? Right, so I got rid of the battery. That's the only reason I popped in here. I don't think we're gonna go anywhere more over there. New AIS, hey. Can you Adam and Eve it? It don't look too much different from the old. The old one was bigger, mate. They've definitely made it smaller. That everybody's downsizing, see? I just want to have a look at the new iPhone 16e now I'm here. Is that it? Yeah, there's the 16e and there's the 16. So in Thailand, the 16... Don't say. 16 normal one, 126 gigabyte, 26,800. 600 quid, something like that. So yeah, got all your phones here, look, your Samsungs. let's get moving. See what I've just had a third party battery fitted. In a way I wish I got the proper iPhone battery replaced, but I went for a third party because on my iPhone, on my old iPhone 11 here, I had a third party fitted just by one of these places here, and it lasts. It's still going strong now, mate. About 2 years ago, and it's a rock solid battery. So I've had another one in my new phone fitted. We shall see how that goes. You can see how quiet it is. Look, quiet, innit? Not a hell of a lot going on, mate. So yeah, this vlog wasn't planned. I thought, why not pull the camera out again? This is probably one of the more helpful sort of vlogs than just walking around, right? I mean, we've all seen Moors before, but it has changed a hell of a lot. This was probably one of the oldest after, I don't know when it was built, Airport Plaza, but it didn't have much done to it. I'd say Cab Swan Cow was the oldest looking one. But after that, this Airport Plaza hasn't had a lot done to it for a long time, until now, I don't think. So I think I'm gonna leave it there. Not gonna go mad on this one. That was a little look around the Airport Plaza, and matey sneezing here. Let's get out of the way. James, hello. Let's finish the vlog, Wayne. Hope you're all safe and sound as always, guys, and I will see you in the next one. So take it easy, man. Take it easy.